How to join channel membership on YouTube. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your device. In your feed, you'll find all these options. Select the person you want to join channel of, or simply search their channel and you will find join options. Simply click on join. This is only available if the person has enabled. Then you'll find membership options. Click on join which you want to join, as there will be many options and its benefits. As you can see, first one is 9.99 and as it goes, and this is how to join channel membership on YouTube. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.